Hi and welcome back. This is a reading for birth number 3, which means if you're born on the 3rd, 12th, 21st, or 30th of any month. This reading is for the month of Feb 2021. Alright, so we are going to start the reading by pulling one oracle card for you. So the card that I have pulled out for you is a win-win outcome is forecasted, a full moon in Libra. So you kind of what you need to understand about Libra energy is Libras are all about balance, and with the card is also saying a win-win outcome is forecasted. So whatever is going to happen, for you in terms of the month, in terms of your career, finance, or your love life, or life in general, a situation that you are dealing with, or a situationship that you are dealing with, it's going to be something where both parties end up with some kind of gain. So it's not like one party is going to be on the winning side and the other party would be on the losing side, but both parties would have an equal stake in the situation, and both parties will be given equal amount of what they deserve. Now, the next card I have for you from the Lord Ganesha, Whispers of Lord Ganesha deck is number 26, Insight. So, you are going to be getting some insight about a situation. Remember when I said it's a win-win outcome? That means whatever is supposed to happen, everything will be fair, everything will be equal, because the sign of Libra asks for equality. It's a sign of equality. It's sort of an intellectual sign where it thinks about the pros and cons, and it finally tells you that okay, this is what you have to do. So your aim this month, during this month, would be to have more insight, to get more insight about a situation, a relationship, a person. So you are going to have your detective mode on to find out more about the situation, how this situation can actually impact you. Now let's see from tarot what would be the theme for the month. Now from tarot, the theme is 8 of cups. So whenever the 8 of cups shows up, what I mostly tell people when the 8 of cups shows up is 8 of cups is about trying to take a walk, trying to walk away from a situation so you can understand better about what it is that you felt was missing. So for a lot of people, I feel like this could actually be related to either your work, or it could be related to your relationship or the situation you are in now. You are not satisfied about something, something is nagging you from the inside. There could be possible boredom, there could be possible confusion, or there could be the situation where you feel completely lost, totally out of sync. And this, what this card is telling you here as a theme is that you need to walk away, not permanently, not completely, but for a little bit. Walk away from this situation so that you can heal yourself, you can heal your emotion. This card also tells me there are also chances that you guys might travel. So this travel can be emotional, or it can actually be physical travel. So take it how it resonates. The next card I have for you is the King of Pentacles. So King of Pentacles, showing up here talks about that these are the kind of energies that you need to embody. You have to have a strong foundation. When you start this journey, you have to understand why you are doing it, so that you come back and you are able to form that strong roots. You are able to develop those roots that you can further work upon when you come back. It will actually help you focus more on your work. So if you are talking about going on this journey of uh, soul searching, or self finding, you are going to return a king. This is exactly what the cards are trying to tell you. The next card I have for you is the Page of Swords, and when you return, you're going to have this Page of Swords, like energy. You'll have this curiosity. So if in a relationship things have become very stagnant, I think after this break you are going to come back totally into this relationship, totally ready to kind of explore more things, communicate with your partner, understand your partner better. The same is applicable in terms of your job. So take it however you can, or in whichever way it's going to help you, but this is what it means. The next card I have for you is the Ace of Wands. See, especially for relationships and work, I don't know why this is a strong feeling I'm getting. It's applicable for both relationships and work. Relationship, I see a lot of you guys making up finally, from boredom to finally making out, and trying to find that, revive that passion, because whenever Ace of Wands shows up, Ace of Wands is all about passion. It's all about physical attraction. It's also about having that physical intimacy with your partner. So if not physical intimacy, think of it as finally feeling connected with your partner. In work, it could mean finally getting the role, or finally getting the team, or finally being with the project, or with a project or a client that actually makes you happy. The next card I have for you is the Two of Pentacles. So Two of Pentacles, showing up here, actually talks about that, whatever happens, moving through this situation, you might have to deal with a couple of things at the same time. So not only you will have to kind of, if depending on what the focus in your life is like. So if your work and career both, one of them is going downhill, well, then possibly these energies are talking about that thing that's going downhill. But at the same time, when you come back, that thing that was downhill is not going to be downhill anymore. So it's finally going to form that infinity sign, and it's going to go up and down. But what this also tells you is that you have to be ready to handle multiple responsibilities moving forward. So this month is going to keep you busy, because you are going to be doing soul searching, you are going to start something new, and you have to be managing multiple things at the same time. The next card I have for you is the Judgment card. Judgment card, when it shows up, it says you will finally, you'll finally be in a position where you can actually, um, you can actually get the result of what you have worked at. So where you had to balance these multiple things, you'll finally get the result of balancing these multiple things. Angels are there, angels are looking over you, angels are blessing you, and angels are looking at all the hard work, all the sacrifices that you are doing. And here, with the first card, walking away, this is a big sacrifice by itself. So when you take this journey of trying to find yourself, trying to find that spark within you, I think the angels are going to be there walking you throughout the path. The next card I have for you is the Two of Cups. So for a lot of people who might start the month not being at the same page with their partner, by the time the month ends, you guys are going to be at the same page. You are going to be, you will feel loved, you will feel appreciated, you will feel at peace with whatever the situation it is in your life. And this is, it seems like a really good reading for number three people. um I won't say it's a lot like lovey-dovey sort of a reading. It's a very stable, mature relationship, or a situation that is going on. Even from your work perspective, things look pretty good. Don't forget to check out your monthly reading by your horoscope, by your zodiac, so sun, moon, rising sign. I'll upload them later on. Let me know if this reading resonates.